April 2010, and the volcano with the strange name woke up. The ash cloud smothered local farmland. Volunteers turned out in force. But the cattle are forced to stay indoors for a whole year. When hot lava meets ice, it smashes into tiny shards which can sandblast a plane's window and shut down its engines.
Mayday, mayday. This is Speedbird 9. We have lost all 4 engines. Repeat, we have lost all 4 engines.
The ash cloud drifted across Europe and the world woke up to the destructive power of volcanoes.
London WAC, which is located at the UK Met Office, want to forecast how the ash is distributed in the atmosphere.
But in Iceland, scientists are more worried about what will happen next.
This is nothing compared to what we might see if a volcano located farther east called Katla erupts.
It's very dangerous, holes in the sand, we can just sink down. So I stop here and now I start to take cross-section to measure the width.
They're using forensic evidence from past eruptions to try and predict the next big one. Iceland is a land of fire, and scientists know that under the ice fields, many larger volcanoes lie in wait. Aside from its name, what can we learn from Eyjafjallajökull?